Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on our Grady-White 330 Express. This is a 2019 model. This one's equipped with, these are custom painted. I had them custom painted locally, so they're a real different white color. Nice thing about the 425 Yamahas is that you can service the lower unit on these from the top of the engine, so you don't have to haul the boat on the water or out of your lift to service the lower unit. Refrigerated fish box back in the back. Cockpit side door on here. Of course, you've got the nice wide walk-through back in the back, but you've also got the starboard side seating here. So now we've got some great seats in the cockpit. This side we've got the grill, the dual voltage refrigerator, the upgraded seat here. This is the platinum seat, really nice seat, adjustable forward and backward, up and down, armrests come down. This has got the AV2 top on it. It's got a sunroof on it, opens up or pull complete shade over it if you want shade. This boat has got the Yamaha joystick piloting on it. This is a really loaded 330 Express. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.